Hello children, welcome to Virtual Training Center Dada. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we are going to learn a English story of standard 5th and the title is The 12 Months. Yes, dear students, The 12 Months is a Russian fairy tale collected by Georgius A. Megas in Folk Tales of Greece. Once upon a time, in a faraway country, there lived a mother who had two daughters. One was her own child, the other was her stepdaughter. She was very fond of her own daughter, but she hated her stepdaughter. The only reason was that Marokla, the stepdaughter, was prettier than her own daughter Helena. Got this? This is the starting of the story. Marokla, see, she is a mother. This one is Marokla, the stepdaughter, and this is Helena, the own daughter. Okay. Marokla had to do all the housework, tidying up the cottage, cooking, washing, spinning, weaving and sewing. She liked work and she did it all without a word of complaint, while Helena spent the time adorning herself and lazing about. The mother and the daughter, they are envied her so much that one day they decided to throw her out in the freezing cold to get rid of her. So they send her out in the harsh cold to bring violets for them. First day she brings the violets, then again they send to bring the strawberries, and afterwards they send again to bring apples for them in the very cold season. Each time the 12 months in the forest, they helped Marokla to find the flowers, strawberries and the apples. Surprised at how Marokla is able to find the things, Helena and her mother go out themselves and are lost forever. This is the story of the 12 months. I told you the summary of the story. The story is little big of 4 pages. Students, please read this story 2 to 3 times and underline the hard words and get the meanings from the dictionary. Okay, some meanings I will tell you. Word meanings. Yeah, adorning. Adorning means beautifying or decorating. See, this boy is decorating the Christmas tree. This is called adorning. Okay. Rated. Rated means judged or valued, measured. Means we give rating to the any skit or any film, that is called rated. Okay. Abused. Abused means troubled or harassed. Here in this story, Marokla was harassed by her stepmother and her sister. See this starlets. Starlets means strawberry blossoms or flowers. You can see in the picture. The real meaning is starlet means superstars or celebrities. Okay. Delicious. You know this. Delicious means tasty. Here we will move to the exercise part. Here read the words. Write the words that combine to make each of them. You can see here 6 words are given. They are from that story, the 12 months. Okay. Stepmother, footprint, Snow White, springtime, gentle-hearted and anywhere. You see here that the words are combined words because here 2 words are combined to make these words. We will see one by one. Okay, first one is stepmother. How it formed? Step plus mother. It became stepmother. See, the meaning of step and the meaning of mother is different from the meaning of stepmother. Got this? Next one, foot plus print gives footprint. This is a combined word and it has different meaning with that of foot and print. Next one is snow plus white gives Snow White. Spring plus time gives springtime. Got this, children? Means the real meaning is different of both the words and the new word formed is with different meaning. Gentle plus hearted gives gentle hearted. Gentle hearted means very kind. Any plus where gives anywhere. Okay. Here write other meaningful words that begin and end with. See, stepmother word is given. The starting word is step and the second word is mother. Now they ask us to make 3 more, minimum 3 words from the step. First word is step. We will make 3 more words with the step. See, step wise. We will move stepwise. How we say? We will do the maths stepwise. Correct? Second one, step ladder. Next is stepson. How we say stepdaughter? Like that, stepson. Got this, children? Means we made 3 words starting from step. Now we will move to the next word, that is mother. Again we will make 3 more words that starts from mother. Yeah, mother we will use and we will make 3 words that begin with mother. Motherland. Our motherland is India. Motherhood. Then motherless. Motherless means a child with no mother. Got this, children? One more word we will use. Anywhere. Here first word is any and the second word is where. Now dear students, we will use any and we will make three words that begin with any. First one, anyone. Okay. Second, we can do like this, anyway. Then anyhow. Got this, students? We will move to where now. Okay. We will write where and we will make three words that starts from where. Wherever. Okay. Second one, whereas. Third, whereabouts. Like this, we have to make the words that begin with or that ends with the given words. Next, this is the grammar part, nouns. You know that the meaning of noun. Noun is a word that represents a person, a place, a thing or idea. Correct? The name of the person, the name of a thing, name of a place. These are all called nouns. Okay, first. Yes, students, we know that a noun is a person or a place or an animal or a thing. Correct? Now we will go through some of the examples here. Person, girl, boy, mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, Mrs. Jones, etc. These are all the names of different persons. So they are nouns. Now we will move to the places, that is school, home, playground, zoo, Mumbai, etc. are the names of the places. So these are also nouns. Now we will see about the animal names. For example, dog, bee, frog, cow, lizard, etc. Correct? They are also noun words. The next one is things. Yes, books, flowers, shoe, pencil, purse, bag, all these names of the things are nothing but nouns. Yes, now we know that what are nouns. Now we will find out the nouns from the story. Okay. Now find nouns from the story. Nouns from the story here. Mother, correct? This is the name of the person. March, name of the month. Summer, name of the season. Apples, name of the fruits. Boys, again person. Brother, again person. Forest, this is the name. Fire, you know that thing, it is wind, again thing. Father, name of the person. Got this, students? Here these all are the nouns we selected from the story. Some more nouns are there in the story. Please try to list them out. Okay? Thank you, students, for being with me. Okay, dear students, again I tell you to read the story 1 or 2 times and try to tell the story to your younger brother or sister. Okay? Then she or he will also become happy to listen that fairy tale. Okay, take care and stay home, stay safe.